Hers was all big and stuff. I feel bad. These little boo-boo turds on my head. The kind you make when you know, eat a lot of rice and cabbage. Man, child. This look like a production of Cheetos. Hey guys, it's Alyssa Forever Hair. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alyssa Forever Hair. That's literally how she talks. Like, it's so funny how fast she speaks. I'm a fast talker also, so I get it. But I love Alyssa Forever. She's so pretty. And a lot of you guys may know her from doing her popular hair tutorials, and this is what today's video is going to be. Now, I don't have the products that she has, but I'm going to use some popular brands that are actually a little bit more affordable. But she said in her tutorial that she grew up in a house with hairstylists, so they already had a bougie expensive hair product. So girl, we gonna work with what we got. And everybody's doing this whole I try following tutorial, so I figured I'd shake things up and do Alyssa Forever since I have not seen anyone do Alyssa Forever. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Alyssa Forever here. Okay, so for real. Her hair was dry, so this is why I'm even attempting this. This is for giggles, but I'm really gonna try to attempt it. Here it is, how to get a perfect Bantu Knot Out on dry hair. Girl, my hair is okay. Classical music. Classic music teas, giving me some old Mozart teas, girl.
So my hair is all clean, and I had a little conditioner in there, whatever I had around. Okay, so now I'm going to use my unique one. I think that's
okay. What? I always do this. Like when I'm watching tutorials, I'm like, now what? Rewind. Thank God YouTube has the thing where you can double click like in the front of the video, like on the side, and then it goes back 10 seconds.
3-day-old.
Okay, 3-day-old dirty hair.
It's frizzy, just worn out from the wig, and it's ready.
Worn out, girl.
Probably have a lot of product buildup as well.
Probably, I do.
I'm using a sulfate-free shampoo. You can use any brand you want. This is just what I have.
Shampoo.
Okay, now so my hair's all clean, and I had a little conditioner.
We don't have time to clean.
I'm not really sure.
Okay, so hair
10 real effects. Now what this means is going to have 10 different jobs that it does that have to do with repairing, preventing, and protecting.
She said repairing, repairing, preventative, and protection or whatever. Okay, so girl, this is new. Shout out to Shea Moisture for sending me their whole line. I'm gonna do the review in the next couple videos, but this is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate repair. That's what she said. And this is a multi-action. Okay, girl. To restore, prep, and protect extremely dry and brittle hair. Yes, reconciliation. Come on, reconcile these roots, okay, and these ends. So we're gonna spray. It smells so, wait a minute. It smells so good too. Now, I don't think that this would be, I use this for my extensions. So I don't know if this is just like perfect to use by itself. It looks like a lotion. Okay, it's a liquid. It's like really liquidy. Okay, so we're just gonna spray. Ooh, come through. It's not really like watery. Let me get these ends. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, girl. We in there. For a hair. I honestly don't even know Alyssa's hair type. It looks like it's...
I like to use this for detangling. It does a really good job. And also, since we're going to be using some heat, it's going to do a lot of...
Some heat?
That's going to be awesome for your
hair. Blow drying.
Okay, so when I detangle my hair, I like to do
we don't have to skip that part.
This literally cuts my detangle time in half.
Okay, so she detangling. My hair is dry, but since I applied the wet product, the moisturizing product, I'm gonna go ahead and like skip the washing part because I don't feel like washing. What you gotta do? Got stuff to do today. You know, that's a whole day process. It's a full day journey. Okay, so also I was gonna say her hair type looks similar to mine, like as far as her roots. Her roots look like they're about 4A, type 4 hair. I don't have a doctorate degree in hairology like some of you guys. So please comment below what her hair type is. Or Alyssa girl, if you're watching, go ahead and tell us girl. Tell us girl.
Does not have to be precise whatsoever. Just kind of decide how big you want your waves to be at the end and then just go off that.
How big you want your wigs to be?
I like about 4 Bantu knots on the bottom half of my hair.
Width.
So that's what I'm sectioning for right now.
What?
Yo, this has become like my favorite.
Okay, so we're gonna section. I don't know where my comb went to. This is just like a girl, typical girl watching a tutorial. I never have the products that I'm trying to look for, whether I'm filming or I'm watching somebody's tutorial. So she said to section, let me get this right here. Oh, my parts don't need to be so straight because, is it straight? I don't know. Let me see, y'all tell me, is it straight back there? Is it straight? I'm gonna trust y'all word. You say it straight. I'm gonna see. Put this on the side somewhere, let that chill. I never have utensils, like ever. I don't have any pudding, but I have Shea Moisture's stuff, but I think y'all still mad at Shea Moisture. So I'm not gonna use too many of their products because I know y'all just get upset. So I'm gonna use Cantu because it smells good. And to be honest, the consistency of it is a little bit just like it. So she said just use a little bit. Okay. Girl, whose house phone is that over there? Ringing like that. And this is with Cantu. This is with Cantu. No, girl, what am I saying? This is with Shea Butter. She said just a little. Okay. A little product. Okay, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna twist. Wait, but how's she twisting?
And as you go around, it tightens itself. By the time you get to the end of the line, it's like, you know, perfectly tight. When you're twisting, you want to make sure your hair is perfectly smooth. If there's any knots or any tangles or anything, take the twist out and comb it because this is the most important step. Also, I forgot to mention, when putting in product, you don't want to put in too much, no matter what product you use, because we don't want our hair to revert back to its natural curl pattern.
Right.
That is a no-no. That's going to change the entire style. Just be careful.
Okay. Okay.
Also, you see me here adding a little bit more product to my ends because you see how dry they are? I need to make sure that these are going to be smooth because we don't want smooth grooves and then all of a sudden to the ends all nappy and ratty when we take the big.
Nappy and ratty. Okay, girl. She said nappy and ratty. Okay, so we're going to come through. Now, she said don't tie it too tight. Seemed like, I think that's what she said. And then she said it's going to twist on its own or something like that. I think that's what she said. Okay, so she said her ends, put a little product on the ends because she said we don't want it to be nappy and ratty. And then she said comb it out, but I don't have no comb right here, so we're gonna brush it. I try to brush that little piece. Boom! There we go. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna keep. How many sections did she do?
The Bantu Knot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she had about 8. Put a little piece on me. I want my ends to be nappy and ratty and ratchet. Nappy and ratty. Put a little piece on your end. You don't want to be nappy and ratty, girl. Yes, nappy and ratty. Hashtag nappy and ratty. Hers was all big and stuff. I feel bad. These little boo-boo turds on my head. Hers is so big and nice. The kind you make when you know, eat a lot of rice and cabbage and fiber in your diet. Them the kind that be in the toilet. Man, child. This look like a production of Cheetos. Okay, so I have this hot, golden hot thing from Sally's. This was like $6 or $7. And this is a dryer. And I'm going to sit under for 25 minutes. And I'm going to come back to you guys. And then boom. Curls, 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 ethereal curls, curls. Okay, so she said, opening a soda. Oh, like a bottle of soda, like a soda can? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is that? What is this? Okay, girl, what you think? Okay. I don't know. So we're gonna pull them apart. Okay. 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 Now, let's get this together. Uh-oh, I don't like that. Oh! Okay. Maybe I used too much product, girl. Alyssa might need to come over here and do my hair. Okay, it feels a little damp. Like a little, I can feel the product. So obviously, oh no, no! What is this? Girl, what is this right here? Oh my goodness. Alyssa, what do you mean? This is nappy and ready. What you mean? Oh my goodness. This is not cute. I do not like this. This is a fail. This is a fail. What do y'all think? This is a fail. This is a fail. This is not, ew. What is this? Girl. Ew. Okay, so she did it. She did like this. She was picking it out and stuff. I don't have a pick. She had it like this. Okay, I think that might be the way we can save it. Let me see. Girl, no, ma'am, I'm looking like Shirley Temple. So listen, I don't like your method. I don't like this, girl. Yours look cute, but this is not. No, ma'am. What is this? No, ma'am, girl. Get this pen on. Don't worry. Like, this is a fail. So I really tried though, y'all. That was the easiest tutorial, and I feel like it was so easy. I think I did use too much product, but I left, you know, I did the heating method for like 25 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. This is an ultra fail. I hate it. But comment below who you guys think that I should try next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Check out my hair tutorials that I do have that are actually cute. Because this is not it. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alyssa Forever here.